Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your driver window switch for your Hyundai Elantra. So if your car look like this, it's going to be the same procedure of changing the switch no matter what year you have. This one that I'm working on is a 2015, but if you have a 2014 or 2016 and your car look like this, it's going to be the same procedure of changing your driver window switch. The reason why I'm changing the switch is because you can see right here the switch rolled on the back window. Let's see. The switch rolled on the back window, but it don't roll it up, so you can see it go down, but it doesn't go up. So I hold this right here and nothing happened to the window. But if you go right here, you can see the window go up and down like that. So if that's working good, the window is good. It's just the switch right here is not good. So that's what we're going to change right now, and I will get started. So all the tools you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. This is a 2x4 inch screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. This is a 3/16x3 inch screwdriver, and we're gonna use this bits ratchet. It's called bits ratchet, and it's a 1/4 inch. All right, so this is for later in the video, but we're gonna need this to get in here. As you can see, look like somebody been in here already. So get in here, take a flathead screwdriver, pull that down, expose that Phillips screwdriver or Phillips screw right there. Same thing for this one right here. Get down in here, lift that up, and you wanna see where that Phillips is also. Alright, so the next step is to get your Phillips screwdriver that I have here. Remove the Phillips screw from here. So once that's done, you want to move to the next one right here. It's only 2 of them, and you want to put the screw somewhere where you know you can find it with ease, where you don't lose it. Alright, and I will leave a link in the description for the window switch. This is the window switch that I'm using right here. I will leave a link in the description for the window switch, and also I will leave a link in the description for all the tools I use. Okay guys, please go ahead, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Help me grow, help me help you. And you want to get your flathead screwdriver and go underneath right here, where you see this right here, push up in it like that and pull back on the screwdriver, and the panel will come loose just like this. As you see right here where the panel is loose now. So you just want to work the panel right around and it will come off like that. And to unplug your switch, you need to squeeze this right here. That's the mirror, and same thing for this right here. Unplug that also. So this is a closer look at the switch. As you can see, you just want to squeeze this right here and pull back. Same thing for this one right here. Pull this right here, pull back on it. So the next step is to get your bits ratchet with a Phillips screwdriver tip in it, and unscrew the switch right here. You have 1, 2, 3, and 4 over there. Okay, Alright, so this the setup I have. The size bit is gonna be, oh, it doesn't say on there. Alright, so you just need a Phillips screwdriver, a Phillips bit for the bits ratchet. You just want to get in there like this, get this off, and I will show you. You just want to do this for all four. I'm gonna cut the video because I don't need to bore you with all this. Alright guys, so once you remove all the screw, you can take this out like this. Alright, that's easy. You get the next one that you have working on, and you just line it up like this. So let's see if you have to be mindful when putting it in. Turn it around, it won't fit, so it can only go in one way. All right, just in case you forget to put it in the correct way, so it can only go in the correct way, which is good. All right, so now we're going to put back all the screws, the 4 screws, and then we're going to connect it to the door. Alright guys, on a quick tip before we get back to the video, you want to just connect your switch like this. Make sure your switch work. If you got a used switch, if you have a new switch, don't matter, connect your switch like this. Make sure it works. You go down and it goes down and it goes up. Alright, so we just need to make sure of that, and once that is done, let's get back to the video where I tighten the screws up and install the switch. Alright guys, so the next step is to plug back here. Once your screws are tight right here, the next step is to plug back your window switch and check your windows, make sure they all work. So yeah, they all work. So let's put the door facing back on. I will use my tool hand, but you know, I already know one holding the camera, so you just need to get the top piece right here to hook. You want to get it to hook at the top first. All right, so let's do that part. So that's it. Alright guys, so as you know, this part gonna still be on your car, so you just wanna put the tip first under there, you slide it under like that, then you bring the rest over. Make sure it lined up with the holes, so you want to check your holes where the clip go. Once they line up, you can just tap it in like that. Get this right here, put this on right here, and get your Phillips screwdriver to run this in. And that's it guys. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. You can support the channel with the link in the description if you want. Lock your clip, lock your covers for your screws, and that's it guys. That's how you change your the glass is clear, so you won't really see it moving, but everything is working. And that's how you change your main switch. I have a link for the rear switch, and it's going to be the same thing for all the switches, so I will link that in the description. Please go ahead, like, comment, and share. Thank you guys. Peace out. See you next time.